Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kim's here. In today's video, we're going to talk about Xpeng or XPEV. So we're going to talk about whether or not Xpeng is still a buy at this price point of $64 a share, and I'll give you guys my price prediction for Xpeng by the end of 2020. By the way guys, I'm dropping this video on Thanksgiving Day, so I just want to say thank you, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you, and because of you watching this video, commenting, liking this video, my channel is this close to being monetized. But now it's like icing on the cake, because now I can talk about something that I'm passionate about, which is stocks, investing strategies, where I can help people get ahead financially. Anyway, just be grateful that you have food on the table, roof over your head, because some people right now, since the pandemic is still happening, a lot of people are sick, or some might not even wake up the next day. Just hang tight, we're almost there. I believe with all these vaccine news coming up, hopefully within the next 3 to 6 months, or hopefully sooner, we can get out of this pandemic. Anyways, let's talk about Xpeng, because over the last 1 month, Xpeng went up 219%. If you take a look at the last 7 days, it went up about 53%. But yesterday, November 25th, it dropped about 9%. And the question is, will Xpeng continue to drop, or is it gonna bounce back right away? Let's find out. According to a Reuters report, China's National Development and Reform Commission has asked local officials to investigate construction and production details of projects related to those subsidy, Shenzhen Baoning, and Evergrande new energy vehicle dating from 2017. If you want, you can continue to read this article, but in summary, there's 2 companies that got investigated, and Xpeng is not one of them. And the reason why Xpeng dropped more than NIO, because NIO pre-market, it went down like 8%, but over the course of the day on Wednesday, November 25th, it actually went up a little bit. But Xpeng didn't recover. Xpeng still down 9%, and that is because Xpeng, unlike NIO, they actually have their own manufacturing plant. They just opened up a second one back in October, and that's after they announced their first one back in June or May. Correct me if I'm wrong. But because Xpeng has their own manufacturing plant, these investigation could spread to them as well. So this could cause some issue with Xpeng, depending on how strict the Chinese government are. I believe this is a short-term pullback. In my personal opinion, having your own manufacturing plant is better than leveraging other manufacturing company like NIO, what they're doing. I mean, it's safer, I guess, but having your own manufacturing plant, you know, that's hard. That's why Tesla took a long time to make profit, because Tesla has to perfect their Gigafactory, and currently they're even working on their Terafactory. So having your own manufacturing plant is actually better, in my opinion. I believe this is just a short-term issue, just like there was a recall with Li Auto a while back, and Li Auto stock still went up. Even though I believe that Tesla will take up the most EV share in the future, but in China, Xpeng has a good chance to compete with NIO. And I believe in NIO, by the way. I'm very bullish with NIO. I talked about NIO a lot in this channel. Plus, NIO takes up the most of my portfolio. I mean, my whole portfolio went up almost 100% over the last 3 months. Pretty much a double of what I have from 3 months ago. It's due to NIO and Xpeng. I feel like Xpeng is flying under the radar. I don't think there's enough coverage about it, and this stock could have huge potential to grow, and you can make a lot of money with Xpeng. Because think about it, in China, they're growing at a rapid pace. Their EV adoption will continue to grow tremendously after the vaccine is out, and hopefully when this pandemic is over. Plus, by 2025, China wants about 20% of all of the new car sales to be electric vehicle or new energy vehicle. And I believe Xpeng positioned themselves very well to capture the lower and mid-tier EV market. And I know most likely NIO will capture all of the premium electric vehicle. But if you think about it, who sells the most cars right now? You know, Mercedes, BMW, Audi, or Honda and Toyota? if you think about it, it's definitely Honda and Toyota, mainly Toyota, because they have safe and reliable vehicles that last a long time and it's very affordable. I know there will be other brands that will try to compete, but Xpeng having their own manufacturing plant, if they can perfect their manufacturing process and streamline it, and they can definitely increase the production capacity over the next 3 to 4 years, and Xpeng could potentially start selling way more cars than NIO. I don't know about Tesla, but for sure probably even surpassing NIO at one point over the next 5 years. And you know what else I like about Xpeng is that they're making some bold move with their sensors. They recently just added Lidar sensor, even though Elon Musk is against it and he didn't want any Lidar in his cars. One way it doesn't work, it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. There's other ways to make it work. For example, take a look at Tesla a while back. They abandoned their project when they try out the battery swapping technology. You know, not that many people used it. But if you think about it, NIO right now is thriving like crazy. And one of the main factor, I believe, that help NIO grow is their battery swapping technology or battery as a service. And of course, Tesla tried that, it didn't work. But hey, NIO made it work. And this goes to show that, you know, if one way doesn't work, it doesn't mean that it is impossible. Is that you just have to try new ways. And Xpeng is making some bold move, and they're adding Lidar to their cars. And even though it's more expensive, but in the long run, with firmware over-the-air update and new autonomous driving, you know, level 4, level 5, this Lidar sensor could definitely help them, who knows, and it could make their vehicles safer on the road. My prediction is that Xpeng will recover quickly and will reach about $70 a share at least by the end of the year. Use this video as an entertainment purpose only, not financial advice. Anyways, you guys should look more into it and doing more research. But personally, I've actually done a lot of research about Xpeng, and that's why I invest into this company the day it went IPO. Currently, my average cost for Xpeng is about $25, $26 a share, and I'm already up over 150% so far this year. Not going to make the prediction for 2021 yet because I want to see their revenues, their deliveries over the next couple quarters and see how fast they can be profitable. So all in all, I believe Xpeng can coexist with NIO and Tesla and other EV as well, but I believe they're gonna be up there. I know there's not a lot of coverage about Xpeng, but they're coming up. I don't think you should sleep on it. And for those of you who are able to invest in Xpeng under $70 a share, I think that's still a good deal. I mean, think about it, over the next couple years, Xpeng will definitely continue to grow. Their revenue, their deliveries will continue to grow. And if Xpeng can increase their profit margin and become profitable sooner, man, that will be huge. And that's gonna be really good for all of us who invested in Xpeng. And in the next 3 to 5 years, Xpeng will definitely grow maybe 3 to 4 times from what it is right now. The future is definitely exciting for the EV market. So that is it for this video, guys. I want to hear your opinions and your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, remember to drop a like on this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I talk about EV stocks, high growth stocks, and other investment strategies where I can help you get ahead financially sooner. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.